Hello everyone and welcome back to part 2 of pothos. In part 1 we have talked about the types of pothos and its basic requirements like soil and temperature and water, etc. In part 2 we'll be talking about propagation of pothos and also how to make it, how to grow a thicker and a bushy looking pothos, a full plant. This is the season where plants really grow well, February and March. This is the time when, if we look after our pothos in the right manner, we can actually grow a very beautiful looking pothos plant. So let us look into it. First one is through water propagation.
Now this is one plant of neon pothos which has this single long branch, and so I decided to cut it just above the node. Then I put it in water and realized that this could probably be cut into two parts. So I put a cutting below another node, plucked off the leaves at the bottom and put the second part also in water. And after a month, the roots had grown enough to be put back in soil. And since we have to change the medium, we make sure that we do not leave the plant for too long in water, otherwise it cannot adjust in soil. And the soil has to be properly moistened. In a dry soil, a plant that is propagated in water will not do well. And these are the two new cuttings. Now let's look at soil propagation. We take a long branch, these are the nodes, and put a cut below the node. And then when we have 6 and 7 cuttings, we can place them all in the soil. Put the pot in a warm place and the roots will grow.
The question is, how do we keep our plant looking thicker and bushier? Because it is very common to see leggy plants of pothos. I will show you what I mean by leggy is that. Now, for example, let us look at this pot. Now you can see this is a leggy plant. There is just one cutting, and you see there are these gaps from one node to another. Then this gap, which does not make the plant look so beautiful. That is why I said that when we propagate, we must put 7 or 8 cuttings and not 1 or 2 cuttings, otherwise we'll have a leggy plant. Now what do we do when we have a leggy plant and if I want to have a bushy looking plant? So the first way is to do pruning. Now pruning means that I cut the plant like this. I'll show you just from below the node. Now this is the node and this is the node. If I don't prune it, what will happen? The plant will keep on continuing to be more leggy, and the spaces between one leaf and another leaf are going to increase, and in the end we will be left with one long stem and then leaves at the end, and we don't want that. So what is to be done is that we need to snip off from here. This is the node, so I'll just snip off from here, cut over here, and then put the cutting back in this. Now when I cut from here, what will happen is that there is going to be lateral growth from this side and at the leaves at the back. So this we can do every time we have a long stem. We need to prune it. I will show you with this plant. I cut from here from the scissors and put it back in the soil, and here the growth started. And now I can see growth even coming from the beginning of the branch ever since I have pruned it. See, there are small leaves coming from here because of pruning. It is going thicker. So pruning is one very effective means if you want a plant to grow thick. Another thing which the nursery people also do to make the plants thick is the use of pins, the use of what is called bobby pins, normal black pins, or the Jura pins that you use.
This is my Enjoy Pothos, and I'm going to use pins now to make it thicker. These are nodes you can see, and we try to put these nodes back in soil with the help of the pins so that fresh growth can come from here. And now we probably have a fuller looking pothos plant. And the same I had done in my marble pothos plant also about 3 months ago. Put a pin and a leaf has grown right from that same node.
If you want, we can also grow our pothos upward. Now this that I have is actually in 3 plastic bottles, in case you can make that out, and it is growing and I'm twining it around and making it grow bigger. Another way is the use of moss pole or a simple stick or a bamboo that you can use, like I have in this small money plant, to give support to my plant, and the size of the leaves also becomes a little bigger when it is around a moss pole. So this is a small plant, but I have put a moss pole here because I want it to grow upright. So this is also one way in which you can grow your pothos. So that was about the propagation and how to make your money plant more thicker. And I do hope that this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for giving your valuable time and watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.